I'm Jenna with Stahls TV and welcome to the Craft Corner. Decorating with monograms is a trendy way to add a personal touch to any product in the heat printing and craft markets. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the many products decorated with monogramming, and that's key fobs. We're going to be using our Brother ScanNCut, CAD-cut fashion film, and our craft press. I'm going to start by scanning my design into the Brother ScanNCut. So to start, we're going to load our cutting mat in, and we're going to start scanning our designs. We're going to click Scan and click the second option, Scan to Cut Data. Once our design pops up on the screen, we're going to drag our arrow to outline our design. This will make it easier for reading any cut lines. Now that our design is ready, we want to add our cut lines. So we're going to click the second option so that reads the inside of the design and the outside also. So now that I can see clearly that my cut lines are made, I can click Save. And we're going to save it right into our Brother ScanNCut. So we'll just go ahead and click that icon. And now that it's saved, you can go ahead and click Home and unload your design. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start to load in our material. I'm going to apply this shiny side down so that when it reads in, it'll cut right into the material and not the carrier. So we'll load that in. And since our design is already saved into the cutter, I can just go to Pattern, go to Save Data, click our cutter icon, and scroll down till we find our design. Okay, so all my cut lines are reading clearly, so I'm going to click OK. And I want to group all of my pieces of the artwork, so I can go ahead and group all of that here. And click this button to make sure it's reading the entire design. Now I want to size this down so it can fit the size of the key fob, which is going to be about 1.5 inches. So I'm just going to click the height button and hold in the minus until it gets to about 1.5 inches. Okay. I want to make sure I mirror my design also, so that's the little icon right there for mirror. And I'm going to scroll it up to the corner. So I'm okay with everything on this page. I'm going to go ahead and scan in my material just so that I know where the design is going to lay on the material. Click Start. Okay, so I can see exactly where my design lays on the material, so I'm going to click OK, and I'm ready to cut, so we can go ahead and click Cut. Okay, so I'm going to begin by cutting out my design. That way I have less to weed and I can save this piece for another design. I'm going to start weeding away any of the excess material on the carrier. And make sure I weed out all of the cavities inside my design. Now our design is ready to be pressed on our key fob. So to begin, we're going to place our fashion film down on our key fob and do a quick 2-second tack to make sure our carrier does not leave a mark on the fob. Since this is an item that doesn't have to be laundered, we don't have to preheat. But we still need to do our full application, so we're gonna grab our cover sheet and apply for the full 10 seconds. And now we have our decorated key fob. So as you can see, customizing key fobs is fast and easy and a great gift for your customers. I'm Jenna with Stahls TV, and thanks for joining me in the Craft Corner. Are you looking for more ways to use or make money with your craft cutter? Then check out StahlsTV.com, where you'll find more how-to videos and tutorials just like the one you've watched.